So let's dive in. Today we're going to see what happens when we mix 3 ingredients of food coloring, baking soda, and vinegar. So first we're going to put some baking soda. So let's grab 1 tablespoon and put it in this cup, and then let's do it in each other cup. Okay, and then we're going to do our food coloring. So first I'm going to do red. How do I open this thing? It's hard. Let's dip some in. Hold on. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. Then, oh, blue, that's black. And then, then we're going to do green to mix blue and red. First I'm going to pick red. Try and mix it to make the color purple. Let's pour in this vinegar, but slowly. Oh my god, that's pretty red. Good stuff. The colors didn't come out that well, so I'm gonna put some more red in this one. I'm gonna waste this day. This is called a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. We have explosion! Volcanoes! And that is my project. Wasn't that pretty cool? Shoot! Yes! That was so cool. I want to touch it. Oh, it feels so weird. Bye, guys. Peace. I just poured all of them into here. Wasn't that crazy?